Get lost in the wonders of nature, where every step means wild adventure. Climb to new heights, splash in the waters of the rainforest, make new wild friends, discover hidden wonders, and drop in for a new view. Welcome to a world where the wonder and the wild are one. Introducing the all-new Wild Oasis at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay.
All right, good morning. Very exciting stuff. Thank you for coming out today. I'm Jeff Davis. I'm proud to serve as the park president here at Busch Gardens and Adventure Island. And I'm excited to share some big news that reflects our ongoing commitment to creating unforgettable guest experiences. But before we dive into what's next, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the significant investment happening right here at our parks. This year alone, we're investing over $40 million into Busch Gardens Tampa Bay and Adventure Island, enhancing entertainment, dining, and animal experiences for all who visit. If you walked through the park recently, you may have noticed some exciting and reopened things, as well as a few construction walls. Those are just glimpses of the improvements underway to make Busch Gardens the best theme park experience possible. First up, let's talk about our animals. We're proud to introduce our all-new meerkat habitat opening this summer at the edge of Africa. This immersive space will provide an up-close look at one of our most charismatic species and reflects our continued commitment to animal care, education, and conservation. Recently, our mob, or family, of meerkats underwent a routine quarantine exam in our state-of-the-art animal care center, ensuring they're thriving and ready to welcome guests to their new home. Next, we're also excited to announce new dining and drink options across the park. Let's start with some food. Toma at Orang Cafe is opening this weekend, and you're going to get a chance to take a taste while you're here with us this morning. Located right next to Wild Oasis, this vibrant, quick-service restaurant offering a Latin America-inspired venue. Toma was created by Sofia Vergara and her son, Manola Gonzalez Vergara, together with legendary hospitality executive Sam Nazirian, to share the best of Latin cuisine with the world. We gave guests a first taste of Toma during Howl-O-Scream in Christmastown, and now we're excited to have their first brick-and-mortar Toma restaurant right here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Now guests will be able to enjoy the world's most iconic empanadas with a prime view of the park's orangutan habitat, a perfect spot to relax and refuel while enjoying the sights and sounds of the realm. Next, Kaz Bar, our brand new outdoor bar located in Moroccan Village, slated to open this weekend. This vibrant new space invites guests to sip on ice-cold beer and signature cocktails while soaking in the lively atmosphere, making the perfect spot to relax and recharge. And finally, backed by popular demand, the fan favorite free beer returns to Busch Gardens starting May 23rd. Guests 21 and over will be able to sample 1 beer a day, and if you're an annual pass member, you'll be able to sample 2 a day. It's our way of saying cheers to summer, and thank you for being part of the Busch Gardens family. These enhancements are just a few of the ways we're working to make every visit more memorable, more refreshing, and more fun than ever before. And the excitement doesn't stop there. Our in-park entertainment is also leveling up in a big way. And to share more about what's coming to our stages and skies this summer, please welcome Vice President of Entertainment, Christine Morgan.
Thank you, Jeff. It's hard to top free beer. Gonna try. As Jeff mentioned, it is truly an exciting time here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, and the excitement is absolutely carrying over to our entertainment offerings, especially as we prepare for one of our most dynamic summer nights yet. This season, we are raising the bar with new high-energy entertainment designed to thrill guests of all ages and keep the fun going well after sundown. We're bringing the indoors right here, indoor action, with our all-new show, Moto Motion. The adrenaline-pumping stunt show blends BMX and motocross tricks with jaw-dropping aerial choreography, creating non-stop excitement from start to finish. It's fast, It's bold, and it's sure to become a must-see experience for thrill seekers and families alike. But instead of me just talking about it, let me show you. In just a minute, we're going to give you a sneak preview of our all-new stunt spectacular, Moto Motion.
Hello, everybody! I am Ricky Rev here with Moto Motion Freestyle Showdown. We have a little sneak peek coming up for you, so let's go! Check us out all summer long right here at the Stanleyville stage, Moto Motion Freestyle Showdown.
All right, how about another big round of applause for the Moto Motion preview today? Yes, they're going to be working in here a lot this week and next week. The show will open on May 29th. And now, as Jeff mentioned, something's happening in the sky here this summer. So, as the sun sets, the skies above Busch Gardens come alive with an all-new nighttime drone show, Wild Skies. On select nights, this breathtaking production features hundreds of synchronized drones, lighting up the night with stunning visuals, all choreographed to an energetic soundtrack, which is capped off with a spectacular fireworks finale. It's an unforgettable way to end summer nights at the park, and one we know that guests will be talking about all summer long. Now, another new wonderful thing that's happening, not here on our property, but right across the street at Adventure Island, is our all-new Aquaglow event this summer. So Aquaglow will be happening at Adventure Island. It'll be starting in June on select evenings from 6 to 11. Guests can dive into a neon-soaked paradise featuring colorful mist effects, a high-energy foam party, the wave pool, which will transform with a dazzling light show. Fan-favorite attractions come to life in a whole new way after dark. With limited capacity, this immersive new atmosphere at AI, Aquaglow is redefining nighttime entertainment at Tampa Bay's #1 water park. From the edge of your seats to awe-inspiring shows, brand new way to glow after dark, the summer's entertainment lineup is bold, immersive, and unforgettable. Now, share an exciting update on one of the most anticipated additions to Busch Gardens this summer. I'm going to turn it back over to Jeff.
Thank you, Christine. I'm excited to share updates around two major attractions coming to the park this summer. First up, let's talk about what's coming back. We're incredibly excited for the reopening of Kumba coming this summer. Kumba has been a staple. Kumba fans out there. Kumba has been a staple of Busch Gardens for many years, delivering thrills and excitement for generations of coaster enthusiasts. Whether you're a longtime fan or a first-time rider, Kumba is ready to deliver unforgettable moments, and we'll be sharing more information about the opening date coming soon. Now let's talk about the much-anticipated Wild Oasis at Jungala. Wild Oasis promises unforgettable experiences for the whole family. Within Wild Oasis, guests will embark on an incredible adventure from encountering fascinating new animals to soaring down the all-new treetop drop. Families can explore interactive climbing structures, cool off at an immersive splash pad, can explore interactive climbing structures, and designed to ignite curiosity and excitement. Wild Oasis promises an action-packed experience for explorers of all ages. The team has been hard at work, and we're now putting the final touches on what is going to be a truly remarkable experience for families and adventurers alike. Today, as part of this exciting journey, you will have the special opportunity to get a final look at the construction site before Wild Oasis officially opens. It's a rare chance to see all the elements of the realm as it's coming together. We can't wait to share this sneak peek with you as we prepare to debut the realm starting on May 30th and opening to all guests on June 6th. But before we head out onto the site, let's talk about our newest animal ambassadors that will be part of Wild Oasis. Please welcome Kayla Wenzel, Zoological Curator of Wild Oasis and one of our experts in animal care and conservation.
Well, good morning, everyone. My name is Kayla. I'm one of the zoological curators here at Busch Gardens, and today I'm excited to share with you some of the updates with our new animal friends. Over the past couple months, we have welcomed multiple animals from other AZA-accredited institutions around the country, including capybaras, a giant anteater, squirrel monkeys, and a variety of tropical birds. Just like the meerkats that Jeff mentioned earlier, they all went through a quarantine process to make sure that they didn't have any illnesses or diseases that could be passed on to other animals. That's a pretty standard thing for AZA institutions to go through with these new animals. We want to make sure that every animal we bring in is healthy and every animal that we share with our guests are healthy too. Now, over the next couple weeks, as we lead up to that opening, what's going on with those animals right now, they're still behind the scenes acclimating to their new environments, but they're also acclimating to each other as we introduce them to the variety of species that we'll eventually call Wild Oasis home. And of course, we're building new relationships with them too, and we can't wait to share those with you also, as we bring these new animals up close to you and to your families. We're so excited to be able to share these animals with you every day, and hopefully they serve as ambassadors to share the story of conservation for South American animals and for other animals around the world. So thank you so much for joining us this morning and for learning more about our animals and the rest of the things we have going on at Busch Gardens this summer. Before we go and check out that construction site, I'll turn it back over to Jeff for some closing remarks.
Thank you, Kayla. That's going to be an amazing part of Wild Oasis for sure. And if you haven't seen capybara yet, get ready. I mean, it's going to be phenomenal. Thank you all again for joining us today. From entertainment and engineering to animal care and guest experiences, the excitement building across our parks is only possible because of the incredible teams working behind the scenes and the continued support from all of you. We're proud of the investments we're making and even prouder of the stories and experiences we get to share with our guests every day. Today's event is just a glimpse of what's to come, and we can't wait to welcome you back for even more unforgettable moments this summer. In just a few moments, our team will guide you to the construction site, where you'll get an exclusive look at the finishing touches being made to Wild Oasis, North America's most immersive, kid-friendly realm. Please keep in mind that this still is an active construction site. For your safety, we're providing you with a hard hat at the entrance of the realm. We ask that you keep the hard hat on while you're exploring and don't explore beyond the marked areas. From all of us at Busch Gardens Adventure Island, thank you, and we'll see you out in the park.